Verizon is offering a massive deal on the new iPhone 17 Pro. Here's how to get yours. This exclusive offer, available only through Verizon, allows customers to receive up to $1,100 off any iPhone 17 Pro when they trade in their old phone and sign up for an eligible unlimited plan. The deal is designed to make it easier than ever to snag a new iPhone without spending a single cent. Whether you're upgrading from a smartphone or looking to upgrade your current device, Verizon is stepping in to simplify the process. The new iPhone 17 Pro line includes models like the iPhone 17, a sleek, compact version, iPhone Air, a budget-friendly option, and the flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max. These phones are set to launch on September 19, 2025, and come with Apple's latest A19 chip, ensuring lightning-fast performance. They also feature the N1 wireless chip, which supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread, along with advanced camera systems. All models boast bright OLED displays with ProMotion up to 120 Hz and an always-on option, while cameras start at 48 MPx. Pro versions include ultra-wide and telephoto lenses with up to 8 times optical zoom. Storage begins at 256 GB, with higher-end models reaching 2 TB. But here's where it gets controversial. Verizon isn't just offering discounts on iPhones. If you trade in any eligible smartwatch, you'll get up to $400 off a new Apple Watch Series 11. Additionally, if you buy the iPhone 17 Pro on Verizon's Unlimited Ultimate plan with a select trade-in, you'll receive the Apple Watch Series 11, iPad A16, and Apple Watch SE 3 for free. There's also a special offer for the Apple Watch Ultra 3, where you can save $500. These promotions are designed to make tech shopping more accessible, but some may argue they're too generous or confusing. For those who prefer a simpler approach, Verizon's Unlimited Plus plan lets you trade in any eligible smartwatch for up to $1,100 off a new iPhone 17. The trade-in can be done in any condition, guaranteed. This flexibility is a big plus for users who want to upgrade without breaking the bank. Mashable's team has compiled the best deals from Verizon, including this exclusive iPhone 17 Pro promotion. Whether you're a longtime Verizon customer or new to the carrier, this deal is worth exploring. But here's the catch. The offers are limited, and the terms may vary based on your current plan. So, if you're eyeing the new iPhone 17 Pro, Verizon's deal is a solid option. However, if you're unsure about the trade-in process or the terms, consider reading the full details before signing up. The key takeaway? Verizon is making it easier than ever to get a new iPhone for free. Just don't forget to check the fine print. What do you think? Should this deal be expanded or modified? Let us know in the comments below.